Hello there. Today we will see how to set up GitHub account and install Git on your Ubuntu machine. First, let's go ahead and sign up for GitHub to be able to set up your account. Since I already have an account, I will just log in, but you should be able to easily sign up and create an account for yourself. Successful login should get you to the GitHub dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see a green colored button. Click on it to create a new repository. Give a name, select whether it's a public or private. Optionally, you can initialize the repository with a README file and then click on Create Repository button. Your repository is now created. Next, we will see how to install Git CLI on your Ubuntu machine running on VirtualBox. Installing Git for Ubuntu is very simple. Just go to this documentation and do exactly what it says. Please notice I'm just copying and pasting the commands without making a change. After running the last command, you should be able to validate whether the installation was successful by running git ---- version. It should return a valid version number. And there you are, your Git is set up. We will now go ahead and clone the repository that we created on GitHub. The command is git clone and the URL. So let's go ahead and get the URL from GitHub. As you see, the repository from GitHub has been cloned onto your local machine. I hope you enjoyed this session and thanks for watching.